Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to split a video into parts using the InShot app on your phone. Let's dive into the process together. First, we open this app, and as you can see here, we select the video we want to work with for editing purposes. Next, we select your video. And here, as you can see, we will explore how to effectively split it into manageable parts. There are many ways to do this, but there's one effective method. Here, as you can see, we search for sleep, and then you can simply drag this video down to the bottom, and from there, you can use it in any way you like, as you can see. This video can be used both at the bottom and at the top. Now that we have successfully split it, you can do anything you want with it. Feel free to edit, rearrange, or enhance it as you like. Enjoy! Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck. And now, as we wrap up, goodbye and take care until next time.